Hello guys, this is back in Nerf Man. We got the Nerf suction darts. It only works with all in no strike blasters and my cousins.
Oh, it's end strike. Oh,
so it's not. So you have to get the gun so it can stick on something, anything.
Yeah, and I'm back. So it comes with 30 dots.
But I think it works with this one.
Suction darts.
I think it works with this one, but this is the girls.
The Rebel.
But
Yeah.
gives them time to look. And so my cousin's gonna open the
One,
and I open one.
So let's get opening.
You're gonna get so much, but I'm gonna get a zombie striker or an air war just for my birthday present.
So I got all the 60, all the darts out. So I'm gonna collect it in one pile.
It's so hard.
How is it hard? Okay, you know what, guys?
Put it in the bag.
No.
Oh,
So we'll just,
Oh, that's how I do it.
Okay.
So I got mine.
Is out. Carefully pull that out.
So these are all 60 darts.
Yep,
Yeah, 60 darts. One pack is 30 and then the other pack is 30, if you know how to do your math. This is all.
Ooh, that's a lot of dots.
Do you practice shooting with them?
I'm going to try for mine.
Okay, let's see who sticks. Don't shoot it there. It can fall.
So it's already pulled the trigger?
Yeah.
This thing's already on the first one?
If you have a girl, it might work.
Okay,
if you have
so
like
I'm
that,
just gonna
with the
pretend
trigger up here,
make sure it won't fall. Ready? Go.
it doesn't stick.
It doesn't stick.
But it's supposed
Oh, it doesn't stick to the wall.
How about this?
So, let's see.
But it does stick, look.
Yeah, it sticks like softly like this.
Let me try. Try my Nerf gun. But mine's not a Nerf gun. It's can you move the chair now? Yeah. It's State's Blast. It's called Blast.
It's the State's Blast.
Yeah.
So
So
it
it's
usually originally comes
blue.
with this, so I'm just gonna put that out.
And
Pull that in.
in
Oh, don't break it up. Come and do it off camera so it doesn't break.
I think this will fit.
That's it. So it fits like this.
So
It can only fill 2 ammo, so you want
But
to
this
try?
thing could fall.
Here.
Oh yeah. Can I do it? Can I do it? Oh, it landed in a garbage can.
Okay.
I think these doesn't stick with it.
Yeah, I think. And it's not saying it's like really bad, but
Oh!
did you see
Oh,
that?
it fall.
Okay, I guess it stayed. Sorry, if this is a little loud for you.
But that's how Nerf gun sounds.
Yeah.
Or real gun. What's more louder?
I think.
Let's try doing it farther.
Yeah, I think you need to try to do it farther.
Yeah, let's try doing
So.
Oops. Let's do it from here.
What? How far? Let me try.
Oh, it doesn't work for you.
mine's. I don't know.
It doesn't work
So
for
yours
you.
does fit because usually ammos, whatever you get, they can fit in any. So
Mine's can stick.
yeah, but mine can't. So yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
For this video, subscribe and leave a thumbs up.
To my cousin and me.
Yep. And it's rated Jade Samantha, known as Kids Toy Channel.
Oh, it doesn't do it anymore.
Yeah, maybe because you're too close. So bye.
Bye-bye.